Hello everyone, Charles Moon with Prosper Trading Academy bringing you another daily commentary. So let's start off. Market swings. Wow, we came off of the day of remembrance for the late President Bush, the first Bush, and we were pre-market down a good amount, and then all of a sudden on an intraday light, we swung down extremely hard. But then the markets have started to rally, and in fact, at this moment right now, the Dow was down almost 3%. We're now down 1.65%. But the Nasdaq, folks, the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 is rallying back. But the Nasdaq actually came back to fill the gap. So it looks like the bulls are starting to wake up. And we're starting to see in a lot of the MOMO names, the momentum names, most notably the tech names. But here's one, a momentum name that is consumer based, and that's RH. Everybody knows or has heard of the gains in Restoration Hardware. RH, really expensive furniture. I just don't get the valuations, but look at this jump they made on earnings. Look at where they found support at those old highs. That high was at 132.52, this low 132.33, and then today's low 132.33. So you're saying we may have found some support, considering 2 days in a row we've had lows almost at the exact same, I'm sorry, not almost, at the exact same price. Restoration Hardware, that is the price level of interest in my opinion. Where is our upside? The 52-week high is at 164.49, and the most recent high here is at 162. So they're basically gonna face some resistance here at 151.28, which is the gap fill. I'll highlight that for you. And with the potential run up to that 162 to 164 price. This is considered extremely bullish. If they happen to breach that downside level, meaning that 132-ish price, the gap fill is going to be at 123, and that's going to be a level of interest along with that 200-day moving average. We're coming off of a lower high on the double bottom bounce. We've started to trend, and then all of a sudden, the day of earnings, they found support at a key technical level, the 200-day moving average. So your downside risk is somewhere around 117. Your upside is around 162 if it happens to fill that gap and extend. This is a name that I see to be very bullish, considering we're down in the markets and the stock is up 2.5%, with a key technical support level on the downside where it's starting to bounce. Keep this on your watch list and your radar. I like the upside in this name. All right, when I wrap things up, I do want to mention that stock and stock options trading does involve a substantial degree of risk. It may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. Ladies and gentlemen, keep this on your radar in the near term. We'll follow back with it soon. Take care and have a great trading week.